with eyes closed. Do 7 Kapalbhatis with active exhalations, pulling the abdomen in. Followed by 7 Bhastrikas, where you inhale and then exhale. Then bring the right hand in Nasagraha Mudra, where the index fingertip and the thumb tip are at the, the index fingertip and the middle fingertip are at the thumb joint. Close the right nostril, inhale and exhale from the left nostril 7 times. नासाग्रह मुद्रा में आए, अपनी पहली और बीच की उंगली थंब जॉइंट पे रखे, अंगूठे के जॉइंट पे। रिंग फिंगर और छोटी उंगली पॉइंटेड रखे। दाई नासिका को बंद करे, बाई नासिका से चंद्र अगन प्राणायाम करे 7 बार। कोई जल्दी नहीं है, आराम से करिए, सब अपनी अपनी स्पीड पे करिए। बहुत ही डायनामिक है ये चंद्र अगन प्राणायाम। जब हाइपर होते हैं, जब एंशियस होते हैं, तब ईज ऑफ करने के लिए ये प्राणायाम है चंद्र अगन प्राणायाम। Extremely important when one is going for an interview. I got a message this morning from someone saying, Auntie, I'm going for an interview tomorrow, and that reminded me, 1 minute. There are 3 mudras that he can do. There are 2 pranayams that he can do. When you're going on stage, when you have a gut tightening, lower gut tightening, when you have to go up and give a speech or you have to sing, you may be an amazing singer, you may have done enough riyaz, but when you go on stage, these kind of situations, you need to be doing this Chandra Agan Pranayam. Now you have to change. अब change करें, उसी नासाग्रह मुद्रा में बाई नासिका बंद करें, दाई नासिका से सांस ले, इनहेल एक्सेल करें। तो ये एब्सोल्युटली ऑपोजिट हो गया। सूर्य अगन प्राणायाम। सूर्य अगन प्राणायाम तब करते हैं जब लेजी फील करते हैं, सुस्त फील करते हैं, बोरिंग फील करते हैं, स्लो डाउन आता है, ब्रेक डाउन आता है, हाथ पैर ही नहीं उठते। कभी कभी ऐसे लगता है हो क्या रहा है मुझे, डिप्रेशन में हूं क्या, सुसाइडल हूं क्या, लो फीलिंग में हूं क्या, पैनिक अटैक है क्या। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू कैन रिलेट टू व्हाट आई एम सेइंग। और तब कुछ काम करना होता है, कुछ भी काम। बच्चे कुछ कहते हैं, पेरेंट्स में नीड अटेंशन, ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन में नीड अटेंशन, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स में नीड अटेंशन। कुछ भी हो, गैस सिलेंडर ऑर्डर करना है, सडनली एसी कॉन्क ऑफ हो गया है, और तब बोलते हैं अरे एनर्जी नहीं है, बैठो बस। बाई नासिका को बंद करें, नासाग्रह मुद्रा करे, दाई नासिका से सूर्य अगन करते रहे, इनहेल करे, एक्सहेल करे, फिलहाल सिर्फ 7 टाइम्स। And suddenly you will feel more energetic, more positive, more like you are at peace with yourself, but have the energy, the vibrancy. You may also be feeling very, very low on your self-image sometimes. And our results, will never exceed our self-image. At that time, you should do. कितने सारे बेनिफिट बोल दिए है ना। टेक अवेज लिखने को बोलती हूँ, तब जरूर टेक अवेज लिखिए। Discontinue the practice. Staying in Nasagraha Mudra, close the right nostril. Inhale from the right foot. Yes, you heard me correctly. Inhale from the right sole, right foot. Oxygenated air. Come diagonally up the trunk to inhale from the left nostril. दाई नासिका तो बंद है। दाएं पैर के तलिए के साथ से सांस लीजिए। Close the left nostril with the ring finger and little finger. Exhale from the right. दाएं नासिका से आप सांस छोड़े. बाएं कंधे की ओर जाए. एक्सेल करते रहे एक्सपेंडेड एयर. बाएं फुट से डीऑक्सीजनेटेड और एक्सपेंडेड एयर निकाले. हाँ, आपने सही सुना. You heard me right. Now inhale from the left sole of the foot, diagonally up the trunk and the right shoulder, the right nostril. Make a loop. Exhale from the left nostril. Diagonally down. This is called Gunakar Pranayam. Gunakar means multiplication. Visualize a cross, a very long and extended cross, as tall as your height. Gunakar Pranayam. Right sole inhales up the left nostril. Right nostril exhales down the left sole. Left sole inhales up the right nostril. Left nostril exhales down the right sole. दायां पैर का तलिया सांस लेता है. ऑक्सीजन ऊपर आ रहा है. डायगनली ऊपर जाते हुए बाईं नासिका से सांस भर रहे हैं. हम फुल है ऑक्सीजनेटेड एयर के साथ. अंतर कुंभक हो रहा है शून्य में. दाईं नासिका से अब सांस छोड़ रहे हैं डायगनली डाउन बाएं पैर के तलिए से. उसी को अब रिवर्स करें. कंटिन्यू. बहुत कंसंट्रेशन चाहिए गुणाकार प्राणायाम में. Get ready for gamification now. Seated comfortably in Sukhasana with eyes gently closed, spine upright, shoulders tucked back, back of the head in line with the spine. Inhale fully, inflate your abdomen like a balloon. Push your pelvic platform down on your yoga mat. Hold the inhalation in Antar Kumbhak. As you exhale, do an Om chant. Om. Add Ujjayi in this second round. Inhale fully. Rub inhaled air in your throat pit. This is for singers and those who have fears associated with finances, relationships, those who have a thyroid situation, those who lose their voice thinking that it's because of aging. No way. Inhale fully. Rub inhaled air in the throat pit. Inflate your abdomen simultaneously. Hold the inhalation in Antar Kumbhak. Do an Om chant exhaling. Om. Anuloma. The normal anulom divided in 3 parts. Inhale 1/3, inhale 1/3, inhale 1/3 in Ujjayi. Hold the inhalation. And start Om exhalation now. Om. Right hand in Nasagraha Mudra. Close the left nostril with the ring finger and the little finger. Inhale from the right. Surya Agan inhalation in Ujjayi. Close both nostrils means bring the thumb to close the right nostril. Come into a chin lock for Antar Kumbhak. Chin lock. इन जलंधर बंद। इतने सारे बेनिफिट है सिर्फ जलंधर बंद और अंतर कुंभक के, बहुत सारे, बट वन एट अ टाइम. Come up. Bring your hands down. Do an Om chant, exhaling from the mouth. Om. Thumb closes the right nostril. Inhale from the left. बाईं नासिका से सांस ले. उज्जई में. बंद करे बाईं नासिका. रिंग फिंगर और लिटिल फिंगर के साथ हल्का सा टच करे, बंद हो जाएगा. साइमल्टेनियसली टेक अ चिन लॉक. Hold. You're in Jalandhar Bandh. Hold your energies, very important, and you're doing a great job. Wow. Come up slowly. Out of the Antar Kumbhak now, hands down. Inhale one third from both the nostrils now. In Ujjayi. Hold the inhalation in Antar Kumbhak. Do Om chant exhaling. Don't suddenly open your eyes. Whenever you get ready to end any sadhana, whether it is asana, pranayam, mudra, bandh, food meditation, hydrotherapy, breath work, any therapy, any meditation, any yoga nidra, chakra meditation, always go easy on yourself. First, start recognizing the sounds and the distances and near. This is a very, very important message I'm giving you. Even when you're just slowly coming out of sleep in the mornings, opening your eyes. First, the moment you know that you're awake or the alarm has rung, eyes still remain closed because eyes are major doorways to distracting us and attachments and aversions. In meditation, first they say, even when we do our meditation, last week you saw how it was. Eyes are major doorways to attachments and aversions. तो हमेशा आंखें बंद ही रखें. And hence, watching TV, watching news, watching politics, watching elections, watching everything is ganda. Instead, watch your breath, Swar Yoga. And just appreciate your awareness, not an attachment to a pleasant sound or an aversion to an unpleasant sound in your home just now. Lights being switched off and on, phones beeping, vessels being washed, doorbell ringing, milk being boiled, anything in the kitchen. Nahi. Bas awareness, 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 awareness. Drashta bhav jo bolte hai na, means as it is, I'm watching, theek hai, smiling. Feel the sensations of your clothes on you, your hair. Just feel sensations. Look at the sensation and the taste in the mouth. Let the mind's eye go there. Check if there are any chalks being done in the house, tea is being made, anything in the house, any aroma, any odor, any fragrance. बाकी की 4 senses को पहले aware करें. Bring those back to awareness. before you open the eyes, and only then do a round of palming to open the eyes. Now take your awareness on your palms, rub, 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 rub. Open and close your eyes in the darkness of palming. You can continue keeping your eyes closed. Thank you for being a part of my journey. Thank you.